Hello traders around the world, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be not about the charts, but it's about the charts. I know it sounds a bit cryptic, but you understand once I finish talking about what I need to talk about. Okay, so what's the point of this video? I'm gonna talk about the psychological aspect or the psychological side of trading. It's something that's really overlooked by new traders and developing traders, and it's one of the core side of trading that those that perform very well, they are very effective in this area. They have a very high level of psychology, the psychological aspect of trading. They've mastered that side of their trading, and that's why their performance is quite different from developing and new traders or struggling traders. Okay, you've heard that 90% of traders lose money. I think the majority of them has to do with psychology, the trading psychology, which is very sad. It's very sad, and as sad as it is one of the areas that people don't pay attention to. All right, and I was one. I never paid attention to the psychological side of trading. I only did when I was under mentorship. My mentor, ICT. Okay, that's the only time I kind of started paying attention to the psychological aspect of trading. Prior to that, I didn't pay attention. It wasn't something I was interested in. And if you really seriously considering trading, you have to pay serious attention. So what should you do? Okay, it's all about you as the trader. It has nothing to do with the chart. Okay, the psychological aspect of trading has nothing to do with the chart. It has to do with you, the trader. So you have to look within yourself and find the answer to why you're struggling. One of the things I figured out is, do you really want to trade? Is trading for you? Because if trading is not for you, you will struggle. It's as simple as that. Are you willing to do what it takes to be a trader? If you're not, trading is not for you. It's as simple as that. The psychological aspect of trading is vast. It's huge, and that's why the 90% lose, because they don't pay attention to that. And if you start paying attention to this side of the trading, trust me, you don't need to know a lot about the market. Okay, you don't need to know a lot about the market, because generally the market is moving up or down. Okay, it's either moving down or it's going up. It's a matter of finding yourself and aligning yourself with what the market is doing. So, example, if the market is going down, right, am I aligned with the market going down, or I'm aligned with the market going up. Because if I'm aligned, or my mindset is that the market should go up and it's dropping, I will struggle to go with what is happening right now. Okay, so if the market is dropping like this, but my analysis says that market should go up, if your psychology is not strong, okay, you will not see this down movement. Trust me when I say that, because your mind works in a very strange way, where it can only see what you want to see. Okay, so as this is dropping, you will not see it. Even if it's as clear as it is, you will not see it. You will see it after it has completed the drop and rallied. So you will not see this down movement. You only see it here after it's got back up here. Don't ask me how. I don't know why. I don't know why. I don't know how. I don't know why. But you only see it after it's here. It's weird. It's strange. But yes. So you need to train your mindset to be able to switch. Okay, you need to be able to train your mindset to be able to switch, to see that, hang on, this is not going up, it's going down, so I need to align myself with it. I have struggled with this for, even now I still struggle a little bit, not as before, a little bit, because there is a shift in the mindset where as soon as I see something, it kind of shifts, and then I begin to realize, okay, hang on, this is not going up, it's going down. Then I'll align myself with it, because prior to that I will not see this. I will only see it after price is hit. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. This, the mental side of trading is as easy but very, very hard to understand. So let's get rid of all the drawing. You need to train yourself to be able to align yourself with what the market is doing. Okay, and that comes with, starts with you. When you take a loss, it's you. When you make a win, it's you. There's nothing outside the chart that influences you than yourself. Okay, you are the problem and you are the solution. If you don't find the solution, trust me, you will not find it anywhere. You will not find the solutions in the forums. You will not find it on the website. The solution is you. So I kind of have a few things to help you with that, and you thank me later. Alright, so I just want to give you a quick analogy of how you are the problem. So you, when you start as a trader, you have certain or you pick up certain beliefs about the market. You pick up certain beliefs about the market, whether the market is hard to trade, or you believe that no one makes money in the market, whether you believe that the market is easy to trade. Whatever belief you pick up earlier, your brain get used to it. It gets used to it. So because your brain gets used to it, that is what your brain starts seeing. Okay, your brain will start seeing what you believe. Whatever you don't believe, it will not see it. So if your brain is used to seeing market going up, okay, that is what is going to be seen all the time. If your brain is used to seeing market going down, that is what is used to be seeing. If it's used to seeing market going up, down, that's what you will see. Whatever you train your brain to see in the market, that's what it will see. And then the more it sees it, the more it believes it. So the reason why traders continue to lose money is because that is how their brain is wired in the market. So why traders continue to lose money is because their brain, or they've trained themselves to lose money. It's as weird as it sounds, but that's the truth. Okay, they've trained their brain to lose money. So any analysis you do, you will end up being on the wrong side of the market, because that's how you've trained your brain. You've trained your brain to see. I know it sounds weird, and being speaking about it brings back memories. Your brain will pick up trades that will lose. It is as simple as that. Layman terms, your brain will pick up trades that will lose, because that's the belief in your brain or your mind. Let me put it in the right terminology. Your mind, your mindset is set to lose. You've set it to lose. No one set it for you. You did it yourself. So you've set your mindset to lose. That's what your mind is going to do. It will find trades that will make you lose to satisfy your belief, which is your mindset. So if your mindset is set to lose, again, it's weird and it's strange, but you will find yourself looking for trades, but the trades will end up going the opposite. So if it's going to go up for you to make money, you will find trades that will be going down. If you're looking for trades to go up, if you're looking for trades to go down, you will find trades that will go up and make you lose money. It starts with you. So what you need to do, okay, is for you to change your mindset and retrain your brain or your mind to look for, or to change the belief about the market that you will lose money, and then train your mindset to only pick up winning trades. It's very simple but hard to do. Train your mind. Okay, I am drawing this as your mind. Train your mind to see good trades, or change your beliefs about the market in simple terms, and automatically your mindset or your brain, we call it, I've got a few books in here, I'm gonna show you. We call that the subconscious mind. Okay, it's not the conscious mind, because you use the conscious mind to do not critical things that are happening now. Okay, but at the deepest level of yourself, there are certain things that are done automatic that you don't think about, like eating. You don't think about when you're eating. You don't think about certain things because they are automatic. You do them naturally. Okay, that's how your brain works. That's how you function as a person. So the losing traits are coming to you automatically. Okay, you are not picking them, they are coming to you, because that's how you've programmed yourself, or that's how you are. from the start, from the day one you enter the market, that's how you are. So there needs to be a shift, and you have to train yourself to shift that mentality, and start training yourself. So one of the good things you need to do is demo trading. I completely ignored it. I completely ignored demo trading, but it's very, very, very good. I wish I could go back. I've been trading for almost 6 years now. I wish I can go back to year one and demo trade for a year, okay, and pick up good, and I say good, beliefs about the market through my demo trading. It would have gone a long way to help me, okay. It would have gone a long way to help me, but I ignored it and I paid the price. So you need to go back and demo trade and pick up good, and I say again, good beliefs about the market. And the good beliefs would be taking a strategy and backtesting it, and the strategy is a good one, and then train your brain to be seeing those trades. So I'll give you an example. In my last recent video, I talked about market going up before going down, okay. If you train your brain to see that, okay, they will come to you. These kind of things will come to you. You don't have to struggle to find them. And that's how winners are born. That's how successful traders are born. Find a strategy, backtest it, and then consistently see the trade make money. Automatically, your belief about the market will be that, okay. Your mindset will be fixed to be finding these trades, okay. Go back to what I said. Your mindset, okay, it will be fixed to be finding these trades. Go and look for this book, Psycho-Cybernetics by Maxwell. Yeah, that name, Maltz. Okay, find it. It's a long audiobook. Go and listen to it. High Performance Habits. Find it, listen to it. It's a very weird book, but again, find this one. This was recommended by my mentor. It's a very good one as well. Find it and listen to it, okay. These 3 books, listen or read them, and then understand what I'm trying to say here, because they all have what it takes. They all talk about how your mind works, okay. It talks about how your mind works, how your subconscious mind and your conscious mind and habits, and yeah, how to get inside yourself to change certain things that are drawing you down, okay. And then this guy, I just recently I watched this about 3 days ago. It talks about 3 methods to reprogram your life. It's a quick one, but it's really powerful, okay. And it talks about the willpower, it talks about concentration, and it talks about energy. So those 3 things, your concentration, your willpower, and your energy. So basically, simply put, you need to concentrate and take away all distraction when you're trading, okay. That's, you can apply it everything, but I'm just putting it in terms of trading. you need to be concentrate and take away every distraction. So distractions could be forums, could be group channels, and anything apart from the charts. They are distractions. Okay, how will you concentrate? Practice concentration. If you lose concentration, you have a willpower. The willpower is basically everyone is born and you have a will to choose to do something. Okay, everyone is different, but everyone has a level. So my willpower would be, okay, I can stop doing what I'm doing now and do something else. That's the power I have. So you can use the willpower to stop being distracted and then focus and do the charts. So your willpower will help you to get rid of the distraction, and then once you get rid of the distraction, you use your energy, which is the third one. You use your energy to actually dive into the chart and see what you need to see. It's really, really powerful. When I listened to him, I took some notes, and it's really, really good. Okay, so read or listen to these 3 books, and then listen to this guy, and then you should see changes. Okay, the chart is not the problem if you're struggling. The chart is not the problem. The problem is you, and the you is the way you think. Okay, the way you think, the way you do things. You go and listen and read these books, and you completely understand what I'm talking about. I know I'm not putting it out properly, but you get what I'm trying to drive to. Everything is about you and the way you think about the market. That's why you're losing, and that's why you will continue to lose until you change. If you don't change, forget about it. Just stop trading at all. Stop trading in general and go and find something else to do, because you will continue to lose money, or you will continue to lose. If you're not losing money, and whatever you're doing in the market, you will have joys. Okay, your equity curve will be like this. That's how your equity curve will be. Anytime you start seeing joy, it will draw you down. This is my equity curve. This was how my equity curve was like. Okay, before I started looking into myself. Because anytime I start anytime I start going up, it goes down. Anytime I start going up, it goes down. Okay, there's something about my mind which doesn't enjoy this. Okay, it enjoys this. It's weird, it sounds strange, but believe me, your mind is wired for this. It's not wired for that. So you need to shift your mind to be wired for this, and this will happen for you. If you don't, your mind is naturally, from birth, the way you grow up, the way you do things from childhood up to now, is wired for that. Okay, so you need to change it. Go and ask any profitable trader, or find any profitable trader, and they will tell you how or what I'm talking about. Okay, find any profitable trader and see if there was no shift in mindset. If there isn't any trader out there that took this path, okay, then I'm lying. Then forget about these books, because it's not gonna do you that good. But any trader that was losing money and started making money went through what I'm talking about. Okay, it's a revolution for me, and it has shifted my mindset, and it's helping me for my equity curve to start pointing that way. So I decided to share. Right, I am a sharer, so I decided to share. To put it in layman terms, okay, I don't want to put the I don't want to be calling the professional terminology and subconscious mind and the conscious rational and all that crap. This is layman's term, okay? Your mindset is everything you need to change. Go and listen to these books, and then listen to this guy, and you will if there is more, please come and paste it at the comment section of the video so I can also go and watch. But so far, these are the books I have paid attention to. Aside that, I did watch Mark Douglas. Sorry, here I'll show you. I watched this years ago, but like I said, initially I didn't pay attention because it wasn't making me money, so that's not what I'm interested in. I'm interested in making money, not psychology crap. But it's very, very necessary. Yeah. So this guy, how to think like a professional trader. Watch all of this. That's another good library. Watch all of that. Okay. Stop wasting time here, because this is not the problem. Okay. I've spent years and hours, and I don't want to go there, but I've spent too much time on here thinking this was the problem. This isn't the problem. The problem is you, your mind, and you. Okay. So I've already made this video too long than I expected, but it's necessary. Okay. So go and look for these books and listen to them. Once you've done that, come back to the charts and apply a simple strategy. You will see the difference. And if you do, hit me up on the comment section. Thank you for watching.